Hi there. Welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to learn how to introduce yourself in English using simple, everyday words. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident talking about who you are, where you're from, what you like, and what you do. Let's get started.
Hi, John. It's nice to meet you. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, Anna. Nice to meet you too. My name is John. I'm from Funabashi, Japan. I work as a graphic designer. I love drawing and playing basketball in my free time. I also enjoy listening to music. My name is John. We say this to tell people who we are. Your name is important. I'm from New York. This phrase helps other people know where you live.
That's great. What do you do, John?
I'm a graphic designer. I create pictures and designs for websites and posters.
I'm a graphic designer. This phrase describes your job, simple and clear. Let's take a look at another example. I love drawing. Repeat after me. I love drawing. We say this when we talk about what we enjoy doing.
Awesome! What about you, Anna? Please tell me about yourself.
Sure, my name is Anna. I'm from London. I work as an English teacher. I enjoy reading books and walking by the river.
I enjoy reading books. Use this phrase to talk about your hobbies or things you like doing.
That's wonderful, John. It's fun to know about you.
Thank you, Anna, and it's great to hear about you too. You don't need complicated words. Simple words are enough. You can do it. Stay confident and practice every day and you'll speak better soon.
By the way, John, do you have any other favorite hobbies?
Yes, I like cooking. I cook simple meals like pasta and salad. I like cooking. Use I like when talking about things you enjoy in general. Here is another example. I cook simple meals. One more. I cook simple meals. This is a clear way to share what kind of food you can make.
That sounds delicious. I'll try cooking something simple soon.
Yes, cooking is fun and useful. You'll do great.
Remember, you don't need to try hard words. Speak slowly, use words you know, and practice with friends or in front of a mirror.
This helps you pronounce words clearly. Always start with familiar words. That builds your confidence.
To sum up, today we learned how to say, my name is, I'm from, I'm a, I like, I love, I enjoy.
Great job today. Keep practicing these sentences. You're doing amazing.
And don't forget to watch our other videos on this channel to learn more useful phrases and practical English. The more you watch and practice, the more your skills will improve.
Keep learning, stay confident, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Great. Now that we know how to talk about our name, job, and hobbies, let's go a bit deeper.
Yes. In this part, we'll learn how to describe our personality, strengths, and daily habits in a simple, clear way.
These phrases are useful in job interviews, friendly chats, or anytime you want someone to understand you better.
All right, let's continue.
John, how would you describe yourself in 3 words?
I'd say I'm friendly, creative, and hardworking.
Oh, nice. Why do you think you're creative?
Because I love making new designs, I always try new styles and ideas in my work. Let's try saying, I'm friendly, creative, and hardworking. 2 times. I'm friendly, creative, and hardworking. I'm friendly, creative, and hardworking. These are personality words. They help others know what kind of person you are.
That's a great answer. I think being creative is a real strength.
Thank you. What about you, Anna? What are your strengths?
I'm very organized and patient. I also love helping other people learn. Now you try. I'm very organized and patient. I'm very organized and patient. Use this when you want to describe your good qualities.
That makes sense. You're a teacher, so patience is important.
Exactly. And being organized helps me prepare my lessons.
What do you enjoy most about your job?
I enjoy seeing my students improve. When they understand something new, I feel so happy. Repeat after me. I enjoy seeing my students improve. I enjoy seeing my students improve. This is how we describe what makes us feel good at work.
That's wonderful. For me, I love the freedom in my job. I can work from home and listen to music while designing.
Sounds like a dream job. What do you usually do in the morning?
I start with checking emails, then I plan my design tasks for the day. Try saying this. I start with checking emails. This phrase is useful for talking about your daily routine.
I usually do the same. I also review my lesson plans before teaching.
Sounds productive. What do you do to relax after work?
I go for a walk or read a book. Sometimes I watch English shows to relax and learn at the same time.
See, talking about yourself doesn't need to be difficult. Use simple words and talk about your day. That's enough.
Now try this sentence. I watch English shows to relax. I watch English shows to relax. It's a great way to enjoy and learn at the same time.
Let's quickly review the new things we learned today. How to describe your personality. I'm friendly, creative, hardworking. How to talk about strengths. I'm patient, organized. How to talk about your day. I check emails, I plan my tasks. And how to relax. I go for a walk, I watch English shows.
Great job, everyone. Keep practicing with these phrases. Talk about yourself a little every day. You'll get better and better.
And remember, check out the other videos on our channel. You'll find more useful topics and everyday English practice.
Keep learning, be proud of yourself, and we'll see you next time.
See you soon!